Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Apple Watch update stuck on estimating time remaining in 2026. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to do is you need to simply restart your iPhone and your Apple Watch. Now this issue often happens when the update connection between your iPhone and the Apple gets stuck. So you need to first of all turn off your Apple Watch by pressing and holding the side button right next to your Apple Watch. You need to also turn off your iPhone, then turn your iPhone back on first, and then you need to turn back on your Apple Watch. Now you need to open the Apple Watch and try updating it again and see if it is working properly. Even after resetting your iPhone and the Apple Watch, if the issue still persists, you can try this second fix, in which you just have to do nothing but to just check the Wi-Fi stability on your iPhone. The update downloads through your iPhone, so weak Wi-Fi can also freeze it at the estimating time. So in order to do it, first of all, simply open the settings of your iPhone. In your settings, look for the option of Wi-Fi. Inside Wi-Fi, you just have to make sure that you are connected to a stable network. Avoid any public Wi-Fi and move closer to the router. Turn the Wi-Fi on and off once in order to basically improve the network speed. Now, sometimes the update file gets stuck or corrupted during downloads. So in order to fix it, what you can do is you can just simply open your watch app, then go to General. In general, look for the option of software update. If the update is stuck, you can go to the iPhone storage, find watch OS update file, then you can delete it, then restart your iPhone and download the update again. So you can try these fixes in order to fix the Apple Watch update stuck on estimating time remaining in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.